In front of me is INFINIX Note 30 VIP, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Wherever you decided when you're ready to create a voice memo and add it within Messages app, use this plus at the bottom left corner. Unfortunately, you won't be able to attach any from your smartphone. You can only record it here and add it instantly. To do it, hit voice and operate this button. Hold to record and let go, so your recording will be converted and attached. Like that. Now, if you want to create a video one, use this plus again, hit camera and select video option. After you will finish recording, you can discard it by tapping on X or add it by selecting this checkmark. If you wish to add already existing recording, you can do that by tapping on video section here, tapping on your recording and waiting for it to be attached. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!